Hello everybody, Dr. Pi is busy, so I'm here to introduce this video about using os.environ.get to prevent storing passwords in any of your code. This is especially useful if you save your code to GitHub and don't want the risk of ever having your passwords accidentally stored there. If you are using Mac or Linux, you need to edit _profile with a text editor and make sure you leave no spaces either side of the equals sign. Tip: when you first edit the file, it may be empty. With Windows you can use Python import WinRush to add passwords into the registry.